Or what?
What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. YouTube, Jared, it's the boy 323. Another day, another dollar. Check out links in the description. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. You can see some of these pops. Yeah. So I'm obviously not in Houston, guys. Like I said, I was gonna be in my last vlog. I kind of changed my mind of different things like the weather and stuff like that, and personal preference. So yeah, I was gonna sneeze. But yeah, guys. I'm still gonna be going up though sometime this month. So yeah. Yeah. There's a baby. It's a baby. Get around. Get around. Okay, guys. They said the people are coming today instead of tomorrow that are gonna do the granite. See how there's wood right now. So we gotta take everything off of the damn counters, fool. Real quick, like. Let's get it. Oh, I thought they were here. It was someone else. Obviously. Obviously, it was someone else. Yeah. Ah! Door open. I think I heard somebody. Maybe it's them. I think, oh, maybe buzzard.
Huh?
I think it was just buzzard. What is candy bar?
Shit. What you think?
What are these? Champs.
Oh yeah, you can open them. I saved money because I had pieces.
Oh, good.
Yeah, just open this one.
All right. Oh, the little white cat ran out.
Alright, let her get wet.
Oh, look, she ran back in.
Alright, that's the airport at 11, so it's 11:30. I went shopping and then I called and I was ready for the cabinet. Did I buy the right ones? No way, I'm gonna take these back. They're supposed to be the little ones.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, these payments put them up underneath.
They're cutting it outside. They're gonna cut it outside. Well, guys, I got a cutting board. I think my mom thought they were gonna cut it at the shop.
Yeah, when we go pay the balance, because I have the receipt.
Yeah, guys, it's pre-cut, but they're also gonna do the sink, no?
The ledge.
Oh, around this. Okay. So this is the before, guys, and then I'll do the after. He said it's pre-cut, but I see him pre-cutting it right now. I saw him see it. It's on the table. He was drawing like a thing on it. See, they're cutting it. Check it out, guys. It's almost done. Wow. They're just cutting out the hole for the sink. Now they're cutting it in the house. Listen, super loud. Oh wait, they stopped. Guys, it's done. Check it out. They had to glue it down so it smells like glue. But yeah, look at that. Excellent.
Stupid man, I don't know. He only takes money. I get it. And fun.
Guys, we are now currently in the home of the depot. What's up? We just, look. Let us grill. Let's grill this. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go get a haircut. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. I see you. Okay. Well, he's in the basket, isn't
I
he?
know that. He does it all the time when they're cold.
Yeah, you see him right there?
Oh, right there.
What is up, guys? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, kitchen granite put up. All you need left is backsplash and some more paint, and it should be done. Anyways, like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description. Peace out.